What's up, YouTube? It's been a minute since my last video. I wasn't planning on doing a verification series, but it's been a pretty destructive week. It started off well. I was up 2% and then just had a disastrous day, 5% down. If you've been following my journey, you kind of know I have a problem with revenge trading, and just knowing that I'm so susceptible to blow-ups like this, it's pretty disheartening. And I've realized that I'm trying to be a consistent trader, but at the same time not being a consistent person. So that needs to change. We're going to start off this verification series in drawdown and let's go. So it's a new week. It's crazy early in the morning right now. I'm going to be open in saying that it's a battle for me every morning. So I got to set the intention straight away. The chimp in my brain wants to snooze, grab the phone, consume content, smoke. And sometimes I feel helpless to procrastination. That's why it's really important to get the uncomfortable stuff down first. That means warm up, go for a run, meditate, have a cold shower. All these things you hear about on YouTube repeatedly, they actually work. And get those small wins in early. It builds confidence, self-trust, a more positive self-image. I stand a better chance at staying disciplined when I go and face the charts later. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to be doing that every morning. So we're back, just going over some notes. Like I said, it's Monday, a new week. So we're seeing what develops. I'm actually out of drawdown already. At the start of the video, it was last week, and I didn't record. I really need to get back into the habit. So we had a messy recovery. This was the big drop. There was a lot of unscheduled risk due to tragic Ukraine invasion. So I kind of got triggered. I had a buy on the S&P. There was some news that came out, and I got spiked out, and there was some crazy slippage. So I took a bigger loss than I planned, and I got angry. So I revenge traded, maxed it out, and just took this nearly 5k loss. Since then, it's been quite a grind. But the plan is to go back to where I was last time in the challenge, simplify my trading, take 3 trades a day max, minimize my risk. I know what my bad behavior is capable of, so I have these rules to just really try and limit myself. I'm going to be going through all these rules as they come up this week and explain them a little bit more. Because on the days where I'm focused, calm, mindful, not putting any expectations on the market, going over my rules, going over my plan, doing everything I should, I have great trading days. I catch really nice trades. I don't get greedy. It's 12:30. I just think that we're going to gravitate towards these levels. 20 moving average is above. That's a target. The big level, the 200-day moving average, coinciding with this trend line here. And to squeeze back up to end the month at these levels would be pretty convenient for Wall Street. But like I said, I wanted to be cautious today. Still got to be wary of the news flow coming out of the Ukraine situation. Gone long, 3 lots. We're going to put a 10 pips stop loss. So the hourly candle's about to close to 1 p.m. We've had a little impulse down. So yeah, the trade might not be ready yet, guys. Could be getting stopped out here. We'll see. The 1 p.m. candle. There we go. Stopped out and took a 300 loss quickly. So back at 185. It is what it is. We could still look for a buy again later on at the US session. We're going to see. This impulse looks quite strong. So yeah, we just logged our first loss of the day. Main thing is I got to follow the rules, fully accept the risk. So didn't move my stop, didn't move it forward. Oh shit. Uh-oh. All my trading books just fell on the floor. Okay, we hit our alert. Let's see how price acts here. So I just bought again. You know what? I'm going to keep my stop really tight. I'm not even going to risk a lot. Second trade of the day, half size trade. Following the same plan. A few minutes later, we have an impulse back up. I've currently got my previous loss on the table. Also tempted to move my stop to at least get my previous loss back. But that'll be a bad idea because I need to get in the habit of treating each trade individually. Gonna see some volatility. Hopefully it's a squeeze up. Sitting on my hands, literally, and seeing if this plays out. There we go. I took a little bit of profit off. I took close to 300 off at 44, just so that we can get our loss back. Now it's at break even. So the trade's still looking healthy. We've just broke the high of the day. So having a little pullback at that close of the hourly candle. So it looks like price has turned around quite a bit. So we're currently, we're getting that push now. I'm gonna take a little bit of profit off. Not too much, just a little bit. So I just took just a tiny bit of profit off. So yeah, now that we've broke these highs, we could keep pushing. So I'll keep you guys posted. Just because it's the hourly candle close, if we're gonna get a nice squeeze continuation, hopefully that will happen through well, in the next few seconds. Does look likely we're gonna top these highs here, but if we're lucky enough to stay in the trade and get this squeeze continuation, maybe another 10-15 points. So we did get a little squeeze, guys. It's probably running out of momentum soon. So yeah, we're out of the trade now, guys, but it's been a decent day. Only took two trades, one loser, one winner. The winner ended up being, I'm happy with that, can't be too greedy, and I'll be back again tomorrow, hopefully do the same thing.